Have you experienced your Samsung oven not turning on or turning off? This video explains the checkpoints and solutions. Checkpoint 1. Is your oven not powering on? Check that the door is fully closed. If the door is left open for more than 1 minute, the oven will shut off automatically. Firmly close the door, then try turning the oven on again. Checkpoint 2. Is your oven still not powering on? Check the power cord and outlet. Make sure the cord is plugged in securely. If it feels loose, unplug and reinsert it firmly. Checkpoint 3. Does the oven remain unresponsive? Check the fuse and circuit breaker. Replace the fuse if it appears damaged or has failed. To reset the breaker, turn it off, wait 1 minute, and then switch it back on. Checkpoint 4. Is the oven display off? It may have entered energy-saving mode. If no input is given for a certain time during operation, the oven will stop and switch to this mode. Press any button or turn the knob to exit energy-saving mode and reactivate the oven. Checkpoint 5. Does the oven turn off while cooking? If you open the door during operation, heating and fan will stop immediately. This function is for your safety and to prevent energy loss. Once the door is firmly closed again, the oven will resume cooking automatically. These are normal functions designed to protect your safety and prevent energy loss. If the oven still does not operate after these checks, contact Samsung service.